Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss on an important topic, that is tenses. Tenses plays an important role in the formation of sentences. Without tenses, sentences cannot be formed. So, first of all, we will discuss what is tense. The definition of tense. The form of verb which tells us about the time of action. The form of verb which tells us about the time of action is called tense. The form of verb which tells us about the time of action is termed as tense. I have taken an example here. We play cricket. We play cricket. We, here is the subject. Play is a verb, and cricket, what we play, what? Cricket. It is an object. So play is a verb, and verb here is denoting that the sentence is in simple present tense, because we have written play. Play is denoting that this sentence is in simple present tense. Here, according to my concept, the change of verb forms denote the type of tense. Means tenses are the change of verb forms. The different types of tenses are due to the change in the verb forms. And main changes I have denoted by the examples given here. I play cricket. We all know that which type of tense it is. It is simple present tense. Okay, I have taken another example. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. It is what? It is simple present tense. It is present continuous. It is present perfect. It is present perfect continuous. I have written in short present perfect continuous, PPC. Now you look, what is there? Subject is changing? No. In all the sentences, subjects are not changing. Is there anything that is object is changing? No. Object is also not changing. Then what is changing in these sentences? The change in these sentences is only the verb, the forms of verb. And these forms of verbs are denoting that these are in different types of tenses. They are denoting the different types of tenses. So we should, when we read these sentences, we should keep in mind where to be concentrated, to know about the tense of that sentence. We should be concentrated on the action of the form of verb. Which form of verb is there? So that we can understand which type of tense has been used in particular sentence. It is today we will not discuss much, but today we will discuss the main three types of tenses. There are tenses are divided into three main types, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, present tense is what? The form of verb which denote that action is in present time. Means it denotes the present action, the action which is going on at the present time. Okay, this is showing that action is in present time. He goes to school. He goes to school means at the present time he goes to school every day. It is denoting that the action is regularly being going on every day. Past tense, the form of verb which denotes that action is in past time, means the action has already been completed. It has completed. It was completed. It was in the past time. That tense is termed as past tense. Just like I went to school yesterday, means I have completed the work. I went to school yesterday. Today not. Yesterday I went to school. It's yesterday is showing that the previous day, means the previous day. And the last one is future tense. This is the third part of the tense. Form of verb which denote that action will be in the future. Action will be in the future. This will be what is denoting that it is in future tense. Okay, future tense will be. it will occur. It has not occurred and it is not occurring at the present time. It will occur. It has been planned that it will occur. It will complete. But today not. These all are about the tenses. Complete these exercises. Do it in the copy and then send it to me.